Hi everybody, my name is Marie Martone and this is my very first YouTube video. Yay me! I've been wanting to do this for years and years and years and just haven't had the courage. So 2019 is going to be my year. So this is just a very quick intro. Just wanted to kind of get things started, get myself out there a little bit. So this is just very exciting, very scary. Putting myself out here like this, it's pretty intimidating. So gonna have a lot of conversations about makeup and my skin concerns, high-end drugstore, lips tend to be my favorite, lip products, and palettes. I'm a palette lover. Gosh, isn't everybody? Let's see what else. I'm kind of really like to go towards animal cruel free products. Not totally, but I do like that. And I will try to do more of that particular type of makeup. I like organic and vegan, but that's here nor there for me. That does not bother me, not even in the least. So tomorrow, hopefully, I can get downstairs in my basement where I will be shooting these videos and kind of get you more introduced to myself, where I am, what I do, just a little bit behind the scenes information about myself. So welcome to Marie's new project, 2019. Go Marie! You can do it, girl. Please give me some support, thumbs up, subscribe, like, all that kind of stuff that people say. All right, everybody. See you later. And Happy New Year!